हेलो स्टूडेंट। आज के वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं फेटिजोन्स रिएजेंट। इट इज एन ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट। नाउ वी कैन सी व्हाट इज द फेटिजोन्स रिएजेंट. The Fettison's reagent is a combination of Ag2CO3 and silite. It is also called as silver carbonate on silite. Silver carbonate on silite is called Fettison's reagent, and this Fettison's reagent will oxidize chemoselective. It oxidizes secondary alcohol, and the oxidation is chemoselective. What is meant by chemoselective? It oxidizes secondary alcohol in presence of primary alcohol. It's called chemoselective. If there is primary alcohol and secondary alcohol is present, then Fettison's reagent oxidizes secondary alcohol first. And another reagent, that is can means ferric ammonium nitrate. Here is the trick. The Fettison's reagent also oxidizes secondary alcohol, and can is also oxidizes secondary alcohol in the presence of the primary alcohol. Means the role of Fettison's reagent and ferric ammonium nitrate, that is can, is same. Now we can see what is the order of alcohol oxidation. If there are so many alcohol present in the given compound, then allylic benzylic alcohol OH is first oxidizes, then secondary alcohol oxidizes, then primary alcohol oxidizes, which is less sterically hindered, then sterically hindered primary alcohol is oxidizes. Here this OH carbon attached to only one carbon, therefore it is primary alcohol, and this OH carbon is attached to these two carbon, that is it is a secondary alcohol. And what is the order? Secondary alcohol is first oxidizes, then primary alcohol. Therefore here this secondary alcohol oxidation takes place, not primary alcohol oxidizes. It oxidizes into carbonyl group. Next reaction is H2CO3 is added, that is Fettison's reagent. It is an, here this OH carbon attached to this only one carbon, therefore it is primary alcohol. This OH carbon attached to these two carbon, therefore it is an secondary carbon. And this double bonded carbon attached to this OH, therefore it is allylic alcohol. And first allylic alcohol is oxidized, then secondary, then primary. This is the order. Therefore here this OH carbon is oxidized to carbonyl group. Here is no oxidation, here no oxidation. Now we can see the next reaction, the oxidation of 1,4 or 1,5 alcohol to give 5,6 membered lactone respectively. This is the starting material. It reacts with H2CO3, silite, benzene, reflux. Benzene is a solvent. Now we can see the reaction mechanism. Here is the OH 1, 2, 3, 4. 1,4-OH is oxidizes to lactone. Here, the Fettison's reagent oxidizes this alcohol. Here is the no oxidation. Here first oxidation takes place because this OH carbon attached to this double bond, that is it is an allylic alcohol. Here it oxidizes to aldehyde. Then this OH lone pair is attacked on this carbonyl carbon. This double bond is break, and here O minus is formed. Here the lone pair is donated during bond formation, therefore here positive charge. Here is the H, here is the lone pair. Then this O minus take this hydrogen, and this single bond donates its electron to this positive charge oxygen, and we get here OH, here H, here O, here CH2, here O. Here is the lone pair, here is the lone pair. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Here is the CH2. Here is the 2 CH2 group present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. This is third carbon. This is fourth carbon. This is fifth carbon. This is second carbon. This is third carbon. This is fourth carbon. And this is the fifth oxygen. Then Again, Fettizone's reagent oxidizes this OH to a carbonyl group and we get lactone. Now we can see next reaction. Here it is an alcohol. It oxidizes to a lactone. If there is 1 for alcohol, here is the 1 carbon, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. This is an 1 for alcohol. When react with Fettizone's reagent, this is the here is the 2-methyl group, here is O, here is O, the 5-membered ring. Here is the CH2OH, here is the CH2OH. Here this carbon is above side, this carbon above side means hydrogen below side. Phosphatidone reagent oxidizes this OH to a aldehyde. Then this OH is attack on this carbonyl carbon and we get here is the O minus, here is the H. Here charge on oxygen is positive because lone pair donated during this bond formation. Then this O minus take this proton and the charge on oxygen is neutralized and we get here is the carbonyl, here is oxygen, here is the OH. After the addition of Fettizone's reagent, this OH is converted into a carbonyl group and we get 5-membered lactone. This is an Fettizone's reagent. It oxidizes secondary alcohol in presence of primary alcohol. Thank you. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe my channel.